Welcome to the ultimate outdoor fun adventure for kids with the 3-unit ROTO MAPS. Designed to ignite imaginations and keep children active, this playground equipment is packed with thrilling features that will make every playtime unforgettable. First up, let's talk slides. With the Roto Tunnel Spiral Slide and 2 Roto Straight Slides, little ones can race down in excitement, feeling the wind rush past them as they go. Whether it's spiraling through the tunnel or zooming straight down, there's endless sliding fun to be had. But wait, there's more. The Roto Slant Bridge adds an extra element of excitement, perfect for adventurous souls looking for a challenge. Kids can test their balance as they make their way across, feeling like true explorers on a daring expedition. For those who love a bit of climbing action, the Cliff Climber awaits. With its sturdy footholds and grips, it's the ideal spot for youngsters to unleash their inner mountain climber and conquer new heights. And what playground would be complete without swings? Our 2-seater swing offers double the fun, allowing friends to swing together while enjoying the company of a friendly honeybee perched on top. But the fun doesn't stop there. Engage in some friendly competition with the X and Zero game, perfect for sparking strategic thinking and fostering friendly rivalries. So whether your little ones are sliding, climbing, swinging, or strategizing, the Roto MAPS is the ultimate outdoor playground adventure that promises endless hours of fun and excitement. Let's make memories together, one playtime at a time.